decided to go with this wig for this wedding today. And I'm gonna I have this dress. We'll see how it goes. You know, hopefully everything is everythinging, you know. So I got this Ebin lace tint or tinted lace. Tried on a piece of tissue in case the world wants to go crazy again. I had this before and I feel like it just did not look like my skin tone, but this is a lot closer. The light is weird, but this is a lot closer to me. Although that wig don't really need it, there's nothing wrong with bringing a little life to the scalp. So before I even take it out, you can like clearly see how nice, how HD it really is. It's really giving H and D. Look at that. But I'm still gonna try and spray it. This is just shirtless white man walking past, kind of threw me off. And just see if it kind of cuts back some of the getting ready time. Because otherwise I was gonna put makeup on it. But if I don't have to, I won't. Look at it. Is it blending? Ooh. Okay, so it gets messy. Just because of how wet that just got, I'm gonna go blow dry the cap. Okay, so this is just me throwing it on. Didn't do anything. I love the fact that I don't have to plug nothing because I literally don't have time to plug nothing ever. So although I did not do the ball cap method, so you can literally see my cap right there, I'm gonna try and throw some concealer in there and kind of make it do what it does. But you know, this cap I don't feel like is big head friendly, because I don't think I have a huge head. I think my head is like longer than it is wide, but like these don't really ever go all the way down to like the sideburn area, but that's okay because I'm gonna just slip those. Okay, so I just sprayed this on my hairline. So he's supposed to be here in like 45 minutes. Makeup is not started yet, but at least I know what I'm wearing, so like half the battle is already won. You know what I'm saying? I tell y'all I'll be using this Kkaö palette for everything. It's amazing. She came out with a new package. I got the original packaging, so don't talk about me. Okay, so makeup done, moment of truth. Okay, so this is what I got and he's here, so I gotta rush, but